Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to stake your crypto on Coinbase in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download and sign up your Coinbase application. If you haven't already done the identity verification, take a photo of your ID and simply go ahead and verify yourself with selfie as well. And if you haven't already, add a payment method to start purchasing. Now, all you need to do is search and buy eligible assets, and then you want to simply go ahead and tap on the Earn tab on your settings. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and input the stake amount of whatever currency you have, whether ETH or BTC. And when you enter the stake amount, you can simply go ahead and review the details and click on accept user terms and apply. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.